Tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about, the game changer in the world of connectivity: remote desktop connection. Whether you're a professional working from home or a tech-savvy individual, this is a tool you don't want to miss. Stick around as we explore the incredible possibilities it brings to the table. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tech updates. So, what exactly is remote desktop connection? It's a powerful feature that allows you to access and control your computer or another device from a different location. Imagine having the ability to work on your office computer from the comfort of your home or accessing your files while you're on the go. That's the magic of remote desktop connection. Now, let's talk about why this tool is a game changer for professionals. With remote desktop connection, you can kiss goodbye to the limitations of physical location. Whether you're traveling for business or simply prefer working in your favorite coffee shop, your office is wherever you are. It enhances flexibility, boosts productivity, and gives you the freedom to work on your own terms. We know what you're thinking: is it safe? Absolutely! Remote desktop connection comes with robust security features, ensuring that your data is encrypted and your connection is secure. No need to worry about unauthorized access. It's not just about convenience, it's about reliability and peace of mind. Now, let's get practical. Setting up remote desktop connection might sound complex, but fear not. We've got a step-by-step guide for you. I'll walk you through the process, making it super easy to get started. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to unlock the full potential of remote desktop connection. But don't just take my word for it. We've gathered some real-life examples from individuals and businesses who have transformed their workflow with remote desktop connection. Their stories are not only inspiring but a testament to the impact this tool can have on your daily life and work. Now, I know some of you might encounter a few bumps in the road when setting up remote desktop connection. No worries! In this segment, we'll troubleshoot some common issues and provide you with simple solutions. So, stay tuned to ensure a smooth experience. Guess what? Remote desktop connection has some hidden gems. In this part, we'll uncover advanced features that you probably didn't know about. From file sharing tricks to collaborative tools, we're diving deep into the capabilities that will take your remote experience to the next level. And now, for all you gamers out there, this one's for you. Remote desktop connection isn't just for work, it can also elevate your gaming experience. Stay tuned as we explore how you can play your favorite games seamlessly from any device, giving a new meaning to gaming on the go. The tech world is ever evolving, and so is remote desktop connection. In this segment, we'll discuss the future trends that are shaping the landscape of remote connectivity. Stay ahead of the curve and get a sneak peek into what's coming next. We've reached the final segment, but before we wrap up, let's hear from you. I'll be answering some of your burning questions about remote desktop connection. If you haven't dropped your questions in the comments yet, now's the time. Let's make this a community learning experience. For those working in teams, this segment is for you. Learn how remote desktop connection fosters seamless collaboration among team members. From joint editing of documents to virtual team meetings, discover how this tool can enhance your teamwork experience. Did you know you can take your desktop anywhere with just your mobile? In this part, we'll explore the world of remote desktop applications on your smartphone or tablet. Stay tuned to unlock the freedom of accessing your desktop from the palm of your hand. To all the Mac users out there, this one's tailored for you. In this segment, we'll delve into optimizing remote desktop connection specifically for Mac devices. Learn the ins and outs of seamless integration for the Apple ecosystem. The cloud is revolutionizing the way we work, and remote desktop connection is right there with it. Join us in exploring the synergy between remote desktop and cloud computing. Find out how this combination can redefine your digital workspace. Time to level up your remote desktop game. In this segment, we'll share some nifty shortcuts and tips that will make your experience even more efficient. From quick navigation to time-saving tricks, become a master of remote desktop connection. As we embrace remote work, it's crucial to consider its environmental impact. In this segment, we'll discuss how remote desktop connection contributes to a greener environment. From reduced commuting to lower energy consumption, discover how your choice to work remotely can make a positive difference for our planet. Remote desktop connection isn't just for professionals, it's for everyone. In this part, we'll explore how individuals can harness the power of remote desktop for personal use. Whether it's accessing your home computer while on vacation or helping a family member troubleshoot tech issues, the possibilities are endless. Make it yours! In this segment, we'll guide you through customizing your remote desktop experience. From adjusting display settings to choosing personalized backgrounds, learn how to make your virtual workspace feel like home. Stay tuned for tips on creating a setup that suits your style and preferences. Beyond the tech, let's talk about the human side of remote work. In this final segment, we'll delve into the impact of remote work on your work-life balance and mental health. Discover strategies to stay connected with colleagues, manage your time effectively, and maintain a healthy relationship with your work in the digital era. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to remote desktop connection. From boosting your professional life to enhancing personal experiences, this tool has truly transformed the way we connect and collaborate. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments how remote desktop has impacted your life. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay connected, stay tech savvy, and take care.